Speaking from the deceased ancestor home in Rujeyo, Reverend Kenneth Kanyankore, the Assistant Development and Planning Officer for Chinchiz Diocese, said the tree planting initiative is a symbolic gesture to reflect Garuga's lifelong commitment to environmental protection and sustainable growth.
He was a man who wanted people to plant trees, to have a beautiful environment. Because when you have trees, for example, around us, you look at oxygen. People need oxygen. You look at mulching, there will be something that will help. You look at the issues of climate change. If you want to look at to address climate change, which is a global challenge in this country and the world, you find that part of the intervention that we must be involved in is planting trees. So much as we might not say that he said A, B, C, D, there are people who make statements on that, but it is in his social media, it is even on the program that when you are coming for burial, think about planting a tree.
A self-made entrepreneur and founding member of the Forum for Democratic Change, Garuga was known for his humility, generosity, and commitment to empowering communities. His investments in tea farming, hospitality, and education have transformed lives across the Kigezi sub-region.
I worked with him in several projects, and I've seen him teaching people. He was very much interested in capacity building of people to move away from poverty line, to move away from poverty low levels, to be richer, to be at a certain stage through building their capacities. He knew that handouts are okay, but if you build the capacity of a person, that person would do his things without any interference. So he had that ideology of building the capacities of people.
Many like Julius Tukamushaba, who started out as a casual laborer, Garuga was more than an employer.
Ugakozere ibintu bingi omuli Kanungu nangwa na heru ya Kanungu na Uganda yona ekyo kubanza ahira abantu emirimo yakyendeza obworo mu kyaro yashomesa abana ashomesa abashaho hariho ababuleberezi hariho abari kushomesa za bachelors baliho yashomesa abana mu universities nangwa ni chancellor wa university emwe ije ya Bushenyi niwe chancellor.
Emacho Tikatushabe, a resident, says Garuga's generosity transcended politics, religion, and social class.
Ipenga community ya Rujeyo secondary school as a family twashegwa mnonga umutabire na supportinga mnonga atombekireho akatombekero 2 classroom blocks kandi zimwe bire yahuire ndijo ebire bya bricklaying twagishakire na staff quarters na ibiri takahuire konka twina basongoza kubira yahika.
According to the family, Dr. Garuga's burial arrangements will begin with a vigil at his home in Mbuya, Kampala on Thursday, August 7th. A funeral service will take place on Friday morning at All Saints Cathedral, starting at 9 a.m., followed by travel to Rujeyo Kanungu for vigils on Saturday and Sunday. The burial will take place on Monday at his ancestral home.